And I'm one first? No, one can come first. My coconut butter sauce. Alfredo. You hear those crunchy sounds? You know what? Decario 03. I'm gonna get into the lobster tails, but let's get into this. Wow. Oh. What is going on? Yo. Okay, so I think I want to start this conversation like this. If you just had a baby, if you've had a baby, you know my struggles. You know that it's hard for some of us to lose weight once we have that baby. And it's not even just to lose weight, but it's to get fit, to get in shape, right? Because that's really my goal. And I think to be fit is what is important to me. So what did you guys do to motivate yourself, to get yourself to get it done? Because I can't seem to hack it, y'all. It's been 5 months now since I've had baby Carter, and I'm struggling. So my husband went ahead and he got me a home gym. He put together a home gym for me, but it's not, I thought I was gonna get this home gym and then I was gonna work out and I was gonna be motivated to do it. But y'all, just thinking about the pain of it all, I'm just like, I can't do this. Yeah, like I'll go in the gym and once he get me in there, I'll work out, because like I said, I know what to do and I'm comfortable doing what I need to do once I'm in there. But to get myself there, it's a struggle. And so what I do notice is that doing mukbangs now, like I'm not gaining weight, but it's definitely harder for me to lose weight, if that makes sense. So that's also why I cut my mukbangs down because I want to be fine over everything right now, okay?